everybody, this is exciting. So today we are gonna make yogurt, a quart of yogurt. And earlier today I measured a quart of milk and poured it into this pan and then waited until the milk went to about a boil. And after that, now we have a nice pot of very hot milk in here, and we're waiting for it to cool down between 105 and maximum, absolute maximum, under 110 degrees. And so how we wait for the milk to cool off, I'm going to tell you about what you need, what I needed. And I'm very lucky because I had a lot of the things around, but actually my most important possession to make yogurt is my classic car, what I call my classic car, which is my 1946 O'Keefe and Merritt stove, where the oven has a pilot in it, a regular gas pilot. So the temperature in the oven is always right around 100 degrees. But if you don't have that, again, you can make your yogurt sometime with a slow cooker, or in the summer, just put in your yogurt container all bundled up in a sunny window. So really, what you need is, I'm making a quart, so I'm using one jar, but you need 2 jars because I'm using part of the old yogurt that I have as a starter with an active ferment in there. Now, it's important that you get yourself some good yogurt starter. MPS Election is called. That's the company I use to get my starter. They're a very good company, and they have all kinds of yogurt, Greek, Bulgarian, whatever you may like. So what we're going to do, and then for me it's very important because I can't just fill the milk. And when you put the culture in, your milk should be between 100 and 110 degrees. And again, no more than 110. So you need a thermometer. And I just love this is a candy and jelly thermometer from the 50s sometime. Not a good thing to have probably around if you have kids, because it's glass, it's delicate, it contains mercury. If it breaks and your kids eat the mercury, they'll die. So it's something to be very careful about. I'm not a sociopath, I just thought it was funny. Okay, so now we're checking the temperature of the milk. We have a little bit to go, it's right at 120 degrees. One thing that you need is some good old-fashioned wool rags. So I have a sweater, and I have some bicycle shorts that I have cut up. We're going to use these later to wrap up our jar so that the heat from the milk stays there. So we're good. Looks like we're right at 110 degrees. And at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take about, yes, perfect. I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of the remaining yogurt from my previous batch and put them right in the milk. I'm going to stir it in. And because there's so little left, I'm just going to put all of it in so it's done. Perfect. Yum. Or, sometimes you start from the starter, but you can use a yogurt that you made up to 3 times. And then you have to start with a new culture. Somehow the culture I use a weekend with time, I don't know why. But so here we go. We're gonna pour this in. Perfect. Yeah. Close it up. And now we bundle it really well. Okay. This over. One of these. I take these guys, tie it up, and close it up, and it's going straight in the oven. So it's morning and my great yogurt is done. It's just this really beautiful consistency, and boy, I'm gonna enjoy it this morning. Take care, stay safe. Everybody, this is Paola Ferrario with Choose a Knife. I hope you had enjoyed my video and that you will subscribe to my channel. For now, stay safe and stay healthy in this time of pandemic, and keep cooking. Take care.